Hey there, it's Tiffany Thomas, and I am the founder of Investors to Seven Figures, and I have Azania with us today. She's gone through the program. So Azania, why don't you tell us what your biggest takeaway was from the program?
My biggest takeaway was that stock market investing is not only not as complex as I thought it would be, but it's actually fun, it's exciting, it's motivating, and it's something that I really wish I had begun sooner.
I love it. Kind of just tell us where you were before you started the program. Were you already investing? Were you researching things? Where were you before?
Before this, I was really keen on entrepreneurship. I was just kind of exploring the fire movement because I've always been interested in learning how to build passive income streams, passive income businesses, and sort of discovered the online business world a few years ago. And I just saw that a lot of people in entrepreneurship at a young age and those that were in the fire movement um, were often talking about the stock market investing as a really important vehicle for their financial independence and getting there quicker. So I but I always thought it was just a bit too complex for me, just the terms. I didn't get it. I would they'd be talking about Dow Jones and S&P 500. I just didn't think I just thought it was something I needed like years to grasp. I did hear on a podcast about the Simple Path to Wealth book, and reading that really got me interested in starting ASAP in stock market investing. I've been following you for many years on your YouTube channel and just watched your journey with the real estate investing as well. As I also do own property, that really did I related to that a lot, those conversations and that information. But the more and more you were mentioning you were also a stock market investor, I was like, yeah, okay. So I really, if she understands, maybe she can explain to me. So as soon as, and I did, in the past reach out to you for one-on-one, but I thought, okay, so if you're offering a course, definitely, or some program, I was like, oh, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect for me. Perfect time. Let's do it. You know, give it a shot.
Perfect. Yes, I love it. Yeah, tell us a little bit about the outcome that you had after going through the program or kind of the process during the program, how it was.
Yeah, the process during I mean, it's just so, you really did simplify real estate investing. I mean, it was just so clear. The presentation, the walking us through the tutorials, how to step by step, just very simple. And I always thought, oh, I'm going to need to get a financial advisor if I do get involved in the stock market. And you really, the way you taught stock market investing showed me that no, you definitely don't actually. You really could do that research on your own, and it really won't take that long to find the important benchmark figures that you need to assess the different things that you'll be investing in, the different stocks. So yeah, no, I think it just totally opened my mind up completely to stock market investing. And once again, kind of made me kick myself to not have done it earlier. But hey, better late than never. Right.
Right. Yeah. Tell us a little bit about how you're feeling now after going through the program, some maybe mindset shifts that you've had, or just different outcomes.
Yeah, the sky's the limit now. I mean, especially working with the calculators, it just makes it just blatantly clear what you need if you have a goal, and this is what you're going to need to be investing over this number of years. I mean, it just makes it, it just motivates me even more to explore other streams of income that I can be just trying out, that I can attempt to, you know, just build new businesses or ideas or sell things from my home, or just any way that I can increase my income so that I can invest more quickly into the stock market, and just benefit from the compound interest.
I love it. And honestly, just yeah, seeing you from the beginning of the program and just throughout, like you would get so excited when you would accomplish something or realize something. And I loved seeing that so much.
Yes, yes, yes. And even, I mean, just it's funny because like I never thought, because from time to time, like you'll fall upon a video on YouTube, for example, that's talking about, I don't know, bonds or REITs or ETFs. And I was just like, yeah, I have no idea what they're talking about. And it's just so refreshing and so reassuring to understand exactly what all of them are saying. Like every minute of the video, I understand what they're saying. And that is such a nice feeling because, you know, there are so many things that so many different um, specialists or, you know, uh, are saying. There's so much repetition that reassures me that wow, I really have gained a lot, and you know, I've really got a grasp now on the important things to look for, on analyzing stocks, on the purpose of it all, and how it really can work to your advantage when you're trying to retire early or earlier, um, or just build your wealth passively. Yeah. Mm.
Definitely. I love it. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing all of your thoughts. Is there anything that you want to add?
Just that I just want to thank you. I want to thank you because honestly, if it weren't for you, I don't know if I would have had the guts to get into a program. But since your approach, the way you just following you through your videos already online on YouTube and on Instagram, like it's always so, it's very simple. So it was less daunting for me. So I wasn't, you know, just, I wasn't as scared basically. So it just reassured me, and just the fact that you are somebody who has reached financial freedom and retired early. You are a true fire, you know, uh, model. So it's just motivating to learn from you because you have the experience, you have the cred, street cred, as they say, and that's that. I think for anyone who would like to just get into the stock market or understand more about stock market investing and passive this way of earning income passively, should definitely take your program because it is absolutely worth it. It was so eye-opening and so simple, once again, to really get into the stock market. So
Aw, thank you so much, Azania.